Understanding the phrase, at stake. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a really interesting phrase to dive into, at stake. This phrase is widely used in English conversations and writings, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what at stake means and how to use it in different contexts. The phrase, at stake, is a figurative expression that means something is in a position where it can be lost or won, depending on how a particular situation unfolds. It often implies risk and the potential for loss or gain. To understand it better, think of a situation where something valuable or important is on the line and its outcome depends on the events that are currently happening or are about to happen. Example 1. Imagine two sports teams in the finals of a tournament. The announcer might say, with only minutes left in the game, the championship is at stake. Here, at stake, means that the championship could be won or lost depending on how the teams perform in those crucial final minutes. At stake is commonly used in various contexts. Let's explore some of them. In business, decisions where money or jobs could be lost. There are many jobs at stake in this deal. In relationships, when discussing the potential outcome of serious discussions or actions, their marriage is at stake after the recent arguments. In competition and sports, describing the importance of a game or match, the player's reputation is at stake in tonight's game. In politics, when discussing elections or policy changes, the future of the country is at stake in this election. Now, let's practice using at stake in sentences. I will give you a sentence, and I would like you to try to create your own examples in the comments. 1. With the final exam coming up, my grade is at stake. 2. Hundreds of jobs are at stake if the factory closes. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, at stake. Remember, this phrase is used when something important is at risk and its outcome depends on current or upcoming events. Practice using it in different contexts to really master its usage. If you have any examples or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and understanding. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.